As for a new chasen, here's one I've got here, still stuck in its box. The maker fixes the chasen so it doesn't bounce around and get disfigured in transit. They fix it to the bottom of the box with a little bit of wheat glue. To take it out, rather than just ripping it out and getting a whole wad of paper with you, it's nice to twist. So just twist in the box here, like that. And it will inevitably have a bit of glue and paper still stuck on the bottom of the bamboo. And to remove that, the most gentle way is to soak it in a little bit of water. This is just a chuck-in rest with a little pool of water in there. And you can just stand the chasen in the water for around 10 minutes for the water to soak into the glue and loosen the glue and the paper. Alright, so it's soaked for a little while. You can see here the water has soaked into the paper and glue. So I'll dry this and scrape the glue off. Just use the blunt edge of a knife. Scrape, I can pick some of that out already. There you go. It comes off very easy. Be careful that you don't scrape on the skin and lift the skin back on the handle. That's why it's better to use a blunt edge. When you get the majority off, you can just start using your fingernail. And clean it up with a cloth, dry it off. When this dries, the bamboo dries, this glue will dry clear anyway. After a couple of minutes, it's already fading quite a lot.
Next minute.